In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix black horizontal line on iPhone screen. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is first restart your iPhone. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. In many cases, a forced restart can fix temporary display glitches and software related issues. If still you are having the issue, next thing you want to do is reset network settings. For that, launch settings, go to the option general. Now scroll down and head over to the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset network settings and follow the instructions. Once you do this, your problem might be fixed. Another important step is for checking a software update. Head back, click on the option software update. If any updates are available, just update it. Software updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can help resolve screen-related problems. If you have tried all of these methods and the black horizontal line still remains, the issue is likely caused by a hardware fault, such as a damaged display, loose screen connector, or internal component failure. In that case, it's best to visit an Apple store or an authorized repair center for a professional inspection and repair. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.